I'm doing more than 40 miles an hour with this drone, and I am not catching up with that dog. Whoa, the warthog's backed right into that hole, so it can defend itself with its tusks. And I think the dogs fancy their chances. They're just trying to wind the warthog up, try and get him to run. Oh, pig's making a break for it.
The dogs have already expended a lot of energy. They need to make this chase count. This time, the warthog couldn't outrun the dogs. They need to eat fast before bigger predators sniff out their kill. But this time, they're not quick enough.
Mike, it's a hyena. Whoa, reinforcements. And it looks like this time the hyenas have enough numbers that they have the upper hand. The hyenas have pushed the dogs off the kill to finish off what's left.
I can feel the dogs' disappointment. They've put a lot into this meal and protecting it, but only managed to eat a small amount before being chased away.